Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to group watch on Disney Plus. First, you have to go and open the application on your phone. Once you open it, you'll need to know that you have to be a premium subscriber in order to get the access to make a group to watch a specific movie. So here, as you can see, this is the premium plan, and what will you get for the premium and how many profiles and features you will get. Now, what you should do is to simply go and choose any movie. And when you click on it, you will have here these options. You just have to click on this option right here, and this will jump directly to this page. You can simply click on invite. After that, click on invite again. And here you will be able to invite anyone by sending him the link, or you can simply copy the link and send them the links through any social media account or any messaging application. After that, they will be added like this. And if you want to go out of this group watch, you can simply scroll up and you will find this option, leave group watch. Just tap on it and you will leave the group. Now, if you want to do the same thing from your PC, you just have to go to the browser, log in into your account and choose a specific movie. Then here you will find the same icon. You just have to click on it. Then it will show you this page. Then you should click on this plus sign right here. And here you will find this link. You can simply click on copy link and send this link to anyone that you want. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.